The network just keep on.
Oh yeah, no,
That's
okay. Okay, no, it's okay. So I was asking.
So I said it's a lower high.
Oh, perfect. That's what I'm talking about. You must have been told. I can remember you telling me something like this. This is what he done. What he did. What a lower. He did what they did. Something here. He did a pullback here, which is what a lower high to what he has been doing. You know this before. You know this before, Mr. Wale. You know this. That's what I'm asking you. You shouldn't make base your knowledge on what you have just been taught now. What you have known so far. You should be able to establish everything down on this place.
Coach, please excuse me for like 15 minutes, sir. I'm coming. I'll jump back.
You have to be hurry because I don't think you have done a good work on this Mr. Wale. Anyway, let's go so that you can take up from there. So, over to you, sir. Over to you. So he has quoted us, has showed us now that this is what a pullback, which is what a higher low to what is have been going on here. Now, continue. I mean, if you are to send a signal, what will you do and what are you going to
do? I would still go ahead to confirm on the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, it's still showing a confirmation of a wholesale market with the M pattern that is forming. Are you with me, sir?
Yeah, no, but just let me tell me what you are saying and show me some things. Don't teach. I'm not as if don't just give me a general story. I'm saying this and no, show me what you are teaching, why you take a action you take. That's what I'm trying to to you. Talk to me as a professional.
That's maybe without me, I know how to explain it. Maybe it's not sounding professional yet. Oh, sir.
I said, explain what would you take? What action you would do here? So go back to you now. He must have taught you, he break something down for you from daily to 1 hour to 8. Say, I should have taught you this. I'm saying, tell me you have to, I'll send it back to you so you guys can continue again. So you tell me you haven't done anything then. As I'm saying, show me what you would do here. If you are to face with this kind of market, what you would do. You just say, it's a market. Yeah, it's a market. That's all. What are the things you would do? What are the factors that you are saying that will make you to say? Those are the things I'm telling me. So the market is not about a say, it's about an application. If by say everybody just say, I'm making money. You apply it here, you analyze it here, you show us, and you take action, you execute. I'm with you, sir. Hello?
Hello, sir, I'm with you.
I said, over to you now. You know what to do here? Or what? I don't understand. Over to you. Send us a signal. What would we do in this kind of market?
I've been trying to explain, but it seems I'm just quoting theory. So if probably you can dissect it in a practical manner that can seem right.
So I have to send you back to him. Maybe I should have to do another revision. Because I believe he must have explained all this to you. I could see him trying to explain breakdown to you, show you top analysis. I could see him saying, I could hear that top analysis, so he must be able to. Mr. Yeni, maybe you have to take over.
Yeah, what?
I could hear you talking about breakdown or top analysis. Then if you cannot do that, then you don't understand.
Breakdown analysis.
He was talking about top analysis from daily 4 hour, 1 hour, 30, and now you enter 15 minutes.
That was how that was.
I could hear you saying that, but you cannot do anything yet. That means you don't understand. You cannot do anything. I mean, you don't understand. I mean, you have to come over again. You don't understand. You know how to understand him, so you can attend your classwork here with me. I could hear him saying about top analysis from daily 4 hour, 1 hour, and so like that. And you cannot bisect. That's what I'm saying. Bisect this for us and send us a signal. What will you do in this kind of market? What would you do? What are the companies you are seeing? What will affect your complexes? But you seem not to understand. What will you do? Not be so. I mean, do you understand what you will do?
Yeah, it seems so.
I mean, you talk. What will you do?
I said the way I'm explaining.
Now, what is going on there? What will you do? Because you just see sell from it's a downward from daily, we should read that selling. So just tell us what will you do?
I already told you that it's forming an M pattern there.
Okay.
Which is confirming a sell market. I already said that.
Which
but
week?
I'm quoting theory. That's why I keep quiet.
Which week? Which week that's confirming a sell? Which week?
Week, like I don't get.
Which of the week is confirming sell market? Which of the week? You said something is confirming sell market. Which week? There's a week here.
I said it's forming an M pattern. It's forming an M pattern right there.
Okay.
Which is confirming a sell.
So you sell from here? Jimmy, does that mean you sell from here right now?
We are not going to sell from here, but you say we are still going through the confirmation process.
Okay. Me too.
So and then we are the 4 hour time frame.
Okay.
Which is showing the main trend. So we still go to 1 hour time frame to see the current market trend.
Sure, I should go to 1 hour, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm with you, sir.
Yeah, there's still a confirmation there. Like,
I'm with you now. I'm with you. So does that mean you start selling from you start shorting from here? Hello?
hello, I'm with you.
How about the share? Yeah, I can't hear you again. I'm coming. What's going on?
It's still showing a further confirmation of the sell market there.
What are you saying? Why are you saying that? Why? So do you mean you start shorting from here, right?
No, we still have to check on our on 15 minutes is the point of entry. We have to check.
Okay. Okay. I'm with you.
We still go back to 4 hours. Sorry.
4 hours. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So from here we can see the support to restart our neckline, like the support to restart or support. At this at this time frame. So
I'm with you, sir. I think you are still finding it difficult to buy shares. So if you come to 15 minutes, 1 hour, back to 4 hours again, I still don't get your point. I'm with you, sir. I don't think you understand what he taught you. I don't think so. Maybe I'll have to call him back for virtual on this because you have really lagged behind a lot and forgot many things. Mr. Yeni. Hello, Mr. Yeni.
it seems not to be black or something.
Mr. Daniel.
It seems not to be back. Maybe he has been occupied with something else or something.
But I expect him to have taught you this, showed you how you can, all of this story, all of this shouldn't be a prayer for you. He is well grounded on them, so I expect him to be able to pass them down to you effortlessly without having difficulties in none of these stuffs. But since we are chance today, we would have to do an extensive class for both parties to be able to understand and then gain something from the class before we go. A lot has to be covered. We need to do it. We still have to go, we still have a long way to go, and then those ones we're dealing with, we need to deal with them very well and then judiciously. What you think you only understood was the R and Ls. Others, I don't think you understand what he taught you. Because I could hear him showing you top analysis and some other thing like that. I hear him telling you about trend lines, level, and everything. If you cannot deal with something like this that is quite still visible, and then of course this analysis is still, the setup is still good. How do you want to deal with setup that is quite difficult and then unopportune setup? How do you want to deal with that? If this setup is still giving off an headache at this point, then how do you want to deal with some other setup that doesn't even have a good this thing that is quite choppy? How do you want to deal with that? I guess he's not here back. So what other things did he teach you? What other things did he teach you? And you think you understand aside from the S and R and then R and S?
No treatment except you were just trying to explain this structure.
The S and R and B and R and S.
Yes.
Did he tell you in this kind of market you will buy or you sell? You short or you long in this kind of market? Or you wait?
You say it will sell. You say it's the sell market, so.
Did he tell you that you will enter an immediate sell market, or at what point will you enter sell?
At daily time frame, point of entry.
Eh?
What did you say?
I said, he did. At what point will you enter this short market?
I don't get what you're trying to ask there.
At what time frame would he enter his short market? I said,
at 1 hour, at 15-minute time frame.
is it an immediate execution or is going to wait for anything?
It's an immediate execution or something.
You don't understand. Like it's as if when now, did he say we short immediately, or he's going to wait for you to get a particular point? That's my question. That's my point.
Do you short immediately?
Did you get? Is that what he said?
Yes. I don't remember if is that what he said or something. I don't remember he said that. But he said it's the only time is a set market.
Okay, he need to be here to defend himself. because it's not doing some justice with some of this stuff too as well. With this, I already know what will happen in this kind of market. I already know what I'm looking for. That's what I set like this. I just expect the market to open. I know where it's great to I will sell. Where it get to I will buy. Just looking. I already know what to do. Now the structure, I already know what to do. Perfect setup. Sweet one. Any action the market took, I will milk it. Any angle it took, I will milk it. I'm just waiting for his action. Any action it took, I will milk it. Hello, sir. We are wait, please. Wait, please. Your this is not anything.
Hello, sir. I'm back, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah, he said you only taught him.
Hello, sir.
So sorry. He said you didn't understand anything, and I was asking that in this market, what would you have done? He said you will sell, that you short, and that you short at 50 minutes.
Yeah, I tried to explain to him like, hold on, sir. Okay, sir. This thing not talking. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
I said I tried to explain to him like, if you make use of the zone, it might still come back up a bit. Then it's still an overall sell market.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I said it's still overall a sell market, but if it comes down to the zone, it can buy for a bit, then come back to the trend line again.
Okay, fantastic. Philip, please. So please,
like
it's finding difficult to even buy set. It's finding difficult because I tell him that if you have to send us a signal, what will you do? So I think he only understood the S and R and RS. So other things he didn't understand. Please help me to wash him up very well. Carry him this year, make him this year. The Bible say, then be a debe. Then be a debe. Carry him.
Yeah, coach. Did you understand the price action, like not forming this higher
Yes, now.
again?
Yes, now. He knows
you understand?
It's not baby. It's not a baby to just.
Action.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, you should wash him up. Over to you, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, sir. It's no more in the.
Maybe in his network, he will join us. He will join us back.
Yeah, maybe. Let's wait for him, sir.
He just lost. He couldn't just. And I'm sure I must have thought you. Okay, yeah, back to you. He's back.
Hello, sir. Are you back? Hello.
Mr. Wale, he's talking to you now. Mr. Wale, he's talking to you.
Hello?
Yeah, he's talking to you. He's talking to you. Over to you. He's talking to you.
Hello, sir.
Hello, I'm with you, sir.
Yeah, sorry, I was busy by the time you were answering his question. So I don't know what you guys talked about, but he said you don't understand the concept, that you only understood the support on resistant on support.
I was trying to explain the way I understand what like I was talking him through, and I said, let him take me the practical way. I will be able to dissect the market, and if I seems not to present it in a way you want. So that was just what is going on. I don't even know.
Yeah, what if you understand? what you should understand is that Rome is not built in a day, because all the classes you've missed. So you will understand bit by bit, but you have to like understand the something. Maybe later when I get home, because I'm not at home, I'm at work now, but when I get home, I will give you the list of the conferences you have to look for, what you do when you see something, what you do. Then maybe I'll snap that to you or text it to you. So you know that, okay, these are the things I'll be looking out for. Maybe like price action, market structure, from M to W pattern, well, stuff like that, Sha. Because this market is just like, it's a very good setup. Very, very, very good setup. I'll wait for the market to give me more confirmations, then I'll take a sell. Because right now, even looking at this right now, I can see that this market is supposed to take the higher high, take out the higher high. You can see that it's not taking out the higher high. It's finding it difficult to take out the higher high. Can you see that, sir?
Yes,
The former higher high. Yeah, that means sellers, judging from price action only, you don't need anything else in this market. You just all the rest are just confirmations. Just seeing like this, just seeing the market like this, you know that, okay, all right, buyers are getting more tired in the market right now, so sellers should be coming in. You can see the battle. Can you see the battle right on the psychology level?
yes.
So it's very, very, very easy. It's just like what we did in price action, like higher high, lower high. If the buyers is strong, the sellers is strong. You can see it's coming up. Before it came to that point, you can see a very full candle of a buy, very full candle. You can see the full candle that took out like 100, 200, like 300 pips on this pair. You can see the full candle. That means buyers are strong, very, very strong. But later on, the buyers are trying to continue the momentum, but they don't have the power. You can see the wick, they are dropping the wick already. That means buyers are weak. So you cannot see a M pattern forming, an M pattern. That means it doesn't take out the previous higher high. It's equal. So that means it shows that the market is about to change direction. See, Forex is not a complicated something like that. I understand coach wants you to get everything right, but some people, they just need one or two. Some people trade just support and resistance or support, like coach told us. Do you remember?
Yes.
You don't need to like just to accumulate everything together or bombard your head with something that you won't understand. If it is one strategy you want to be using, if you first understand something, that one thing, make sure you understand it well before you move to any other thing. You can use just only one conference to milk the markets, to make millions. Like I used to tell you, to my own understanding, what is important for you to know is your trade management and risk management. Simple. Or everything we will be talking about, okay, this conference, although it's good, because I'm trying to know everything too, but you can just decide, okay, this is what I want to be trading. Anytime I see something like this, then study it, then you know it. So it's not complicated. Don't see this thing as something very hard or something. Just take one thing and master it. I know some of my friends that are not in Nigeria, they are in Canada right now. I told them about FOREX and they told me, they too, they are trying this thing. They only trade support and resistance. You can see how simple their strategy is. Are you there, Mr. Wale?
Which is
They only trade support and resistance only. And if you can see the millions these guys are making, so it's not a complicated something like that at all. Just understand the basics first. That's the reason why I asked us to meet. Understand the basic psychology level, market structure, understand it very well. Then you build on it. You build on it. You cannot, okay, even everything I've been bisecting, coach can come and say, you are not getting it right. That's the reason why I'm asking you, am I getting it right? Because he can come and say, I'm not getting it right. What? My strategy, I know, okay, this is what I want to take from me something. This is what I'm to remove. This is what is more easier for me. This suits my something more. So that's just it. just calm down and take it gradual. That's the reason why I asked you, are you still in Ibadan? Maybe we can meet up, but you said you are going back tomorrow. So it's nothing hard. It's nothing hard. It's nothing hard. If coach is trying to twist you, stay on your point. And if you don't know it, tell him you don't know it, you should explain. Kolofa. Do you understand me, sir?
Yeah, I'm with you, sir.
Then he will understand. You are not getting it right when I wasn't there. You will tell him, okay, sir, what am I missing?
That was I was asking him, was like until you come back. So I said, if I'm not getting it in a practical way he wanted me to get it, let him explain it practically the way he wants me to do it.
I might even be wrong.
He said I'm
might
giving
even
him
be
theory.
wrong.
So I said he should explain to me better. So, but he said you want to explain me. He said he has already explained to you, so he should be the one telling me. So that's why I'm still waiting for. I don't know. But I really appreciate you have really made a clear point that you have really make a clear point. That
Okay,
if really make a clear point.
Okay. So right now on this market, from judging from the like daily time frame, we can see that it's still on this on the downtrend. And what we are like me now. I'm a day trader. So I will start my chart from daily. That means it's a day trend. Then I'm a day trader. I'm not a 4 hours. I'm not a 2 hours trader. I'm a day trader. So I will start my analysis from daily. Then after I see the trend of the daily, I know, okay, it's a downtrend. So what I should be looking for is a down. Then I will go to my 4 hours, which is my main trend. Then after I get to my main trend, I see that it's still on the same downtrend. Okay, what am I going to do? Because firstly, don't trade against the trend. You don't have to trade against the trend. You have to trade the way the trend is giving you. Don't go against the trend. And you can see that there's a trend line there. You know that definitely if the market should come up to the trend line, it will bounce off. Even if it's going to break it, it will firstly bounce off. Are you getting it, sir? So the worst this market can do is to come up to that trend line. You can see the trend line. If the market should come up to the trend line, and it's right on the psychology level, that's just 2 conferences right there. The third one is the M pattern forming. Are you getting me, sir?
Yes, I'm with you, sir.
And it can decide that it wants to sell straight away. So it's you that you know, okay, this is the amount I'm willing to risk. So then you set your stop loss above the trend line. Are you with me, sir?
Yes, I'm with you, sir.
The support and resistance, you can use that and you can decide, okay, I've seen enough. I've seen my conferences enough. Okay, I'm to enter like this. Then if I'm to enter this trade, I will go to my 15 minutes time frame. Then watch out from the M pattern, the confirmation M pattern that shows that this market is ready to sell 100%. Easy. Do you know there are some people that trade just patterns?
Yes, sir.
Just patterns. They don't know how to do anything else, just patterns. But with the patterns, apply with your risk management, with your trade management. I promise you, if you understand just one concept, there's something they call fair value gap on Forex like this. I have a friend too that trade just that fair value gap. Just seeing the fair value gap, use this Fibonacci level and draw it. And with proper trade management, risk management, is making money. Now, me no get money to trade like this. Are you understanding me, sir?
I'm with you, sir. Yes, sir.
It's not about knowing a lot of things. I learned that from coach too. It's not about learning a bunch of things like that. If it is just one you took from our classes, then you see your money, then invest, sit down. Okay, how am I going to perfect this strategy? How am I going to perfect? What happens if something like this happens? That's the essence of back testing. So that is the reason why what I can see right now is that your fundamentals towards Forex is not like high. Even the risk management I told you about, how to calculate your risks or something, I know we still need to like do it again, practice it. But right now, even if you are being taught everything, human being tends to forget things easily. I know you are very busy. You won't carry your phone during the week. Abisha, you used to carry.
On farm. I need to carry phone for farm.
So it won't stick. Nobody is an island of learning. It's just pure easy. But if you have the time for it, sit down during the week, okay. Even if you are not trading, just go to TradingView, check what is going on. Okay, all right. If something like this happens, there are so many people. It's good for you to take a mentorship, but there are some people that actually mentor themselves. Because I used to watch this TikTok something. They actually learn online. They learn online. They created their strategy, not that, okay, this guy is using, David Bessie is using, Abby is using one strategy. They created their own strategy to their own understanding. Okay, when something like this happens, some people, it's just 5 minutes of the day they trade. When they wake up, they know, okay, if market should open like this, they know what will happen, what they will do, what they will do. This is not on the chart. I'm just explaining how the game is for you, sir.
Yes, I'm with you. I'm really happy. I'm with you, sir. I'm with
so you. That's just it. Just learn one thing. Take it gradual by gradual. Because everything we've been saying like this, I won't lie to you. I know that it will be very hard for you to pick up from it. Because it's just like, I said from the beginning of the class, it's just like me trying to like impart everything I've been learning for months in just one day. It's not possible. It's not possible. It's not possible. You have to. Do you know how many time we spend on the M pattern, head and shoulder? So I'm trying to combine all the conferences and teach you all at once. It's not easy. It's not easy, sir. So what we should do right now is, I think we should go back to the fundamental. Do you know how to use your MetaTrader? Buy or sell? Do you know how to set your stop loss?
Yes.
Do you know how to set your take profit? Do you know trade management?
You've started.
But do you understand in your own language, in your own term?
Not to the full extent, not to the full extent.
So we need to take this thing bit by bit. If you really want to know this thing, it's not just